Hello, YouTube.
What's good?
Welcome to Nard Nisha.
Nard Nisha. Nard Nisha, babe.
Nard Nisha. This is Nard.
Bernard.
And I'm Denisha.
Patrick, soon to be
Quit telling
Ross.
my government name.
Come on.
Okay, anyway. Hello, y'all. So today we're going to be doing, as you know, we're engaged and we're starting to work on the things that we're going to put inside of our house. So we have a couple DIYs to give you guys today. So today we're going to be painting a dresser that we got from Goodwill. And we paid $24 for this really nice dresser. I hate the color, so we're going to paint it and decorate it, get the knobs a little love, and then get ready for the final touch. Got anything else?
What she said.
Let's go. Oh, here we go. So, here is the beautiful $24 dresser we found. Here we have a wet rag, and all we're gonna do is first wipe down any dust or dirt that may have accumulated on it, and then we'll get to paint. So. Is this paint is called Rust-Oleum, and we got the color aged gray. The bedroom set that we got is, well, the bed that we have is kind of like a light gray, so we want to play on that. And we actually paid $9 for this. I don't know. Oh, it says a $25 value, but we paid $9 for this. He don't remember. And the paint was $16. So this is small can, but it stretches really far because you really don't have to do one or two coats. And this was $16.
Baby, you talking fast.
I naturally talk fast. Right. So we're gonna open this and get back. Y'all, this color is so pretty. And we already wiped it down. Next, we're gonna take the drawers out and take the knobs off because we're gonna redo the knobs. And then we'll Happy birthday, Sid. Thanks for the dresser, Sid.
I don't know who it is. What is
Tabitha Shields.
And we might not need to be
That's a correctional officer. Ooh, thank you. Okay, all the drawers are out. Now we're going to pour the paint. Our little paint kit came with this little thing. We're just gonna pour about half of it in here. And this color is gorgeous. Okay, I know myself. And I know I waste stuff. So I'm gonna move this out of the way.
prime example.
Spoke too soon. Go get a towel for a stain the floor. Technical difficulties. Do y'all see this?
Hey, leave my toys up out of here.
He must forgot that we finna get dirty. Cause he dressed for a party. I'm taking my boots off. And I'm gonna start the first coat without Bernard, since he didn't get the we're painting memo. right there and showed y'all what it looked like first. We're getting new to this YouTube thing in case y'all didn't notice.
So hey, y'all got an advice with
Drop it in the
editing,
comments.
copyright issues that people be using little music and stuff on. Use all that.
Give us some advice. Where your roller?
I gotta have a roller too.
Yeah,
I thought
you thought you were supervisor?
I thought I was gonna use yours. Why my roller so big?
Because.
I'm supposed to be, if my roller is big, I'm supposed to be doing the top.
Then why aren't you paintbrush with? Y'all see what I go through. Come on. Nice strokes. Yeah, this paint has great coverage for the first coat.
So where do you start it? I don't think.
You just do that, sir. But don't drip no paint. So mama kill us.
Oh.
No, I'm just playing. Let me show y'all what it's looking like. So this is what the top. It almost looks white, but it's actually a really pretty gray. And it's the one roll over here.
Oh.
Ah! I'm also getting used to this tripod, y'all.
These are a little workout too.
Get your arm muscles together. Look at them muscles, y'all. Look at my man.
Shut up. Be quiet.
Yeah, he fizzing. And it's all mine.
Nah, this you don't want this fizz on.
Fizzing. Miss Venture.
Man, this tough. I already worked out yesterday. I ain't trying.
Come on, you gotta get us some wet muscles. We definitely gonna need the paintbrush. Who told you to show up my paint with your big roller? Luckily, the $9 kit came with this handy dandy paintbrush.
Y'all like Nickelodeon?
Mm-mm.
You bet.
Okay, y'all.
I was gonna record this other thing.
No. Y'all seen enough of this, so we'll be back before we even say cook.
Good job. It's still in.
So this is what the first coat is looking like. We're gonna let it dry for about an hour. And let me find y'all some better light. And so it's looking white right now, but it dries gray. And we'll see. And we'll be back after it dries. But next we're gonna take the knobs off the dresser drawers, and then we'll show you what you're gonna do with those later, and then we're gonna paint those drawers the same color. And we'll be back. So, lift it a little bit. While the dresser is drying, we removed all the knobs. So we're eventually going to replace these. There we go. Okay, these are the knobs. And this is back. We're going to eventually replace these with these crystal knobs that I seen at Home Depot. The ones at Home Depot. Yeah, when it's money.
Yeah.
So the ones at Home Depot for the crystal knobs that I want, they're like $6 a piece, but on Amazon you can get 25 of them for $15. But I'm impatient and don't want to wait on 2-day shipping, so I'm going to order those. But for the but for the time being, we're just gonna redo these. So we got this $4 can of chrome spray paint from Walmart, and we're gonna spray paint it. Right now, this is what they're looking like. They look kind of chrome, metallic-y. We're gonna let it dry for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna get it another good coat, and then we'll screw it back on there. Okay, I'm a big exaggerator, so make it like 10 minutes.
Nah, I'll say 20. It'll just be safe.
Y'all remember my no patience part. My patience, y'all, is at like 0.
You see us right here? You see us?
While we wait on the knobs to dry.